Hello my friends, it's Bayani here. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to plant a CHAYOTE squash or shushu, we call it shushu. So they come on different name, but what it is just one of these guys. This is a store-bought. So to plant it, I do this same way you do back home. I just put it about this much on the soil, halfway, and just put it aside. Like you guys can see, this is a store-bought. It takes a bit to start to grow, but this is what it is about. I just put it there, don't cover it all. I mean, in case for us in here, I just leave it here on the wall, get us some sun from the afternoon. Like back home, that is a tropical where it's a kind of warm, we put them on the shade and they grow pretty good. But here I don't think we need to do that. In fact, we just have this other one here that I planted probably about 4 weeks ago. Start to grow. You guys can see the root in there. See the root start to grow. That's all what I did, just put it there. Few days ago just start to grow, and I have one that I just had it a little bit bigger. Start to have some vine and start to grow. Guys can show you. So this is just for the video. So this is I had it on the soil for about 4 weeks, but it was like this one. This is a store-bought one. And the thing what happened is I was on the Walmart. We were there and we picked up some of them old ones, and we left the car on the first floor and went up to the pharmacy. When I come back, the cart was gone, so I had to choose another ones that was not that old, because once you go and buy them for seed, just check the oldest one are the best. And then this one just took probably 4 weeks to start to sprout like that. And all I done is just like put it there, leave it on top of this wall. And since here rain quite a bit of rain, so don't worry, I didn't have to worry too much about watering. Put water, but if you are on a dry spot, just make sure you keep them moisture, not real wet, but all the time moist, because this guy, they like moisture. And I can take you guys where I plant the other one that is I believe about this height.
So how long do you keep it in the container before you plant it in the ground?
In this case here, probably I'm gonna keep it in here for another 2-3 weeks, because what happened is, if I plant it on the ground right now the way it is, like it's very easy for some slug come and eat it all, right? If it's already big, have many leaves, the slug not gonna eat the whole thing, the whole sprout in there. So this usually they grow fast when they start to this size. See, this was just start to grow a few days ago. They already come. So this with the weather is now getting close to the summer, they would grow very fast. Say I leave them here another 2 weeks, gonna be about this big, and then I just put them on the ground. This one is still gonna be like you guys see this guy, nothing in there, didn't start to sprout, because this was just like I say, the good ones that I chosen was taken. So when I went back to put it together again, I just found those ones. They're gonna take a little bit longer to grow, but it's all good. This is where I plant them. They just start to grow in there. Have one, two, what else? I have some more. Oh yeah, there's another one just growing here. So I have 3 branches growing out of this one. Oh, you have quite a few more coming out on the bottom. So this guy is doing good.
How long were they here for?
This one I just moved here like less than a week. Oh.
So how long in total did it take to get to this point?
This point here, probably talking about like 5-6 weeks for this one. And this one was a little bit more advanced than those other one. And here what I have in here, because this guy like moisture, I have a little bit drain who come in there. So I just make a way that the water come and get it wet all the time. Because my intention in here is to grow stuff in this place without put water. I just want to see how it's gonna work. For now, it's working very good. And we keep going here. Hello guys, thank you for watching. And this is how you plant the chayote, the squash. And if you guys do it another way, please leave your comment. I say just plant them the way we used to plant back home, but probably is many ways to plant them. I know they are very easy to grow. Usually just put there the way you did and they just grow. Thank you very much. See you soon guys.